Hello guys, here we are. So variation parameter method to find pi. Okay, so let me write here. There's a method to find pi. Okay. Okay, so in variation parameter method, nothing will change. The equation is like this, okay? The equation is like this, but this one is in a specific method, and it is applied, okay, specifically. Whenever you see that your g of x here is tan of ax, sec of ax, cosec of ax, and this kind of three equation, do not try to spend your calories, your energy, trying to solve it by all those methods, like undetermined coefficient, or do not try even to solve by those shortcut method and things like that. You are going to waste your time, okay? So this method was designed basically to answer questions like this. When g of x is tan of ax, sec of ax, cosec of ax, mostly, okay? But surely it can be used also for different exercise and can be applicable also for those exercise or for those methods. All those methods that can be solved by those different methods can be solved also by this by this variation parameter method, okay? But see, these are the particularity, okay? This is what make them, this is what makes them particular and interesting and also important comparing to other methods. Okay, so what is this then? So this method, it's only applied whenever your Roshkian is not 0. So Roshkian, what is Roshkian then? As here, I'm solving for second order. So Roshkian is given as the solution of your YC, okay? The solution of your YC, the first solution and the second solution. After solving YC, then put the first solution and the second solution. Do not consider the, how can I say, the constant in the solution. Just consider the function of x, okay? Just the x itself, function of x. And here, I will put 1 dash, y1 dash, and y2 dash equal to this. So this is the most important condition here. This Roshkian must be different to 0. So now when you apply delta for this guy to find what is your delta, to find what is your determinant, this time this will be y1, y2 dash, then this time this minus y2, y1 dash. Okay? This Roshkian must be different to 0. This is the first case, the first thing. Now, yp will be given as u time y1 plus v time y2. Okay? So what is u? U is the opposite of this guy. If you see this, okay, here it is deriving. Now u will be the integration of this guy. Okay? If it is deriving, it will be the integration of this guy. If it is positive, it is negative. So it will be minus y, integration of y2. Okay? y2. Right? Nice. And I told you, Roshkian must be different than 0. Why? Because Roshkian will be dividing this guy. So it must not be 0. Okay? Then time this g of x, our function g of x. G of x dx. This is my u. And what is my v? V is equal to, come here, it will be the opposite. If it is positive, negative, then it will be positive, y2. Integrating y1, time g of x, and Roshkian down, dx. Okay? Yeah, this way. So you have to find first what is this. What is this Roschian? Find what is Roschian. After finding what is Roschian, find what is CF, what is complementary function, what is YC. Then after finding YC, find what is Roschian. Then after finding what is Roschian, find what is U and V and substitute here and here with this solution, and you will be found your YP. Then put together YP and this line. It's nice, just like this. There are solve one exercise so that you can get more inside the problem. Okay? Okay. Sorry. Suppose we have, let me start from downstairs. D square dx square plus a square y, it's equal to tan a square and ax. Okay? How to solve this? That's the question. Let me check it out. I still have time, okay? I still have time. I just thought I didn't have time. So this one, it is this, right? So how to solve this? First, you have to find your YC. Okay? What is your YC? Find your YC. Here, it will be D square plus A square equal to 0. So D will be equal to plus or minus AI. So YC will be equal to Euler raised to 0x C1 cos of AX plus I C2 sinus of AX. This is your YC. Now, find your Roschian. Okay? So here you know, okay, Roschian is Y1, Y1 dash, Y2, Y2 dash. What is your Y1? Your Y1 is cos AX. Y2 is sinus AX. So then you are going to have cos AX. Forget about C1. Derivative of cos minus sinus x. Here it will be minus A sine of AX. Then the same here, sinus AX. Derivative of this guy, cos AX, A out. Now find your Roschian. This time this and this time this. This will be minus A sinus square AX. Okay? Sorry. Forget this. This and this will be A cos square AX. Then this and this will be minus. It's always minus, so minus minus, positive A sinus AX square. Okay? What will it be? So Roschian here, take A common, it will be cos square AX plus sinus square AX. This will be only A, because this will be equal to 1. Now we know Roschian. So the second step, find U. What is your third step? Find U. U is Y1 integration, okay, negative Y1 integration of what? Y2 time G of X all upon Roschian dx. So Y1, what is Y1? Cos AX. Integration Y2 is what? Sin AX. Okay? What is G of X? G of X is tan of X. Tan AX dx, all divided by Roschian, that is A. Now, what should we do here? That's very easy. U will be minus cos AX integration of sinus ax time, what is this guy? This guy is sinus ax all upon cos ax. This a can go out, can be here, that's fine. Dx, so you're going to have minus cos ax upon a, integration, this and this will be sinus square ax upon cos ax dx. This will be minus cos ax upon a, integration 1 minus cos square ax all upon cos ax dx. Simple. So this one minus cos ax upon a, this integration here will be what? Sec ax 1 upon cosinus, it is sec ax dx, sorry, sec ax dx, sec ax minus this upon this cos ax dx. Okay, now integration of sec ax, this will be ln of tan, okay, of tan ax upon 2 plus pi by 4. It can be this. You can write like this, or you can write like this, ln of sec of ax plus tan of ax. It's up on you. Okay? Then what is the integration of cosinus? Surely it is sinus. So because here I will integrate this and I will integrate this. Surely it is sinus. So then u, I will write here, u will be minus cos ax upon a. Okay? Okay, this integration here and this integration here. When I integrate this guy, will be 1 upon a out. 1 upon a ln of tan ax by 2 plus pi by 4. Okay? Then this one is negative minus integration of cosinus is 1 upon sinus, 1 upon a sinus ax. Okay, so this is the way you can express this one. This is your u. Okay, so when you just do this one, this will be a square, and that's fine. This is your u. How to find your v? Okay, let us find our v. Let me erase because no more space is in there. How to find your v? So v, we know v will be y2 integration y1 w upon g of x dx. So y2 is sinus of ax, and here it is a. y1 cos x ax, and here g of x. What is g of x? G of x is tan. So it is tan ax dx. Now here, what you're going to have, v will be sinus ax integration. A can be out. This one will be cos ax time sinus ax upon cos ax. This and this will be cancelled out. So v will be sin ax upon a time integration of sinus 1 upon a cosinus ax negative. Okay, this is negative. So this is your v. Okay, And u is equal to what? Let me write u. U is minus 1 upon a square. This and this will be also minus a square. And here, cos ax. Okay, 1 upon a square. Just then you get cos of ax ln of tan of ax upon 2 plus pi by 4. Then minus, and minus will be plus 1 upon a square cos ax times sinus ax. This and this. Okay? And this is your u value. Okay? This is your u, this is your v. Now, if you just put them together, okay? If you see, when you put them together, okay? This is your u value, this is your v value, then you already know what is this. Put them together, because we said, just look at here, yp is u times y1 plus v times y2. Okay, just put them together, and that's fine. So that's your u. You have found your u. You have found u. You have already found your what is u. Then you have found what is this guy. Put together, and you find your y2. And that's the way you do for this case. Okay. And that's all. That's all. So you can just do the same concept to other many exercises. Yeah. Okay. Just let me. Sorry here. Okay. No y here. No y2 here. In this case, yp will be only u plus v. Okay. U plus v. Why u plus v? Because here I consider v as y2 times this guy. Okay, so this is the complete one. And u I consider as what? I consider u as y. Y2 negative integration of y1. Y1 negative integration of y2. So, and here g of x dx upon Brushkin. And I considered like v is equal to y2 integration y1 g of x dx Brushkin. So yp will be directly v plus u. Okay, no need to put any more like this one, because I have already just multiplied this one to this, so no need anymore. So v plus y, v plus u will be your yp. Just add them both. If you add them, let me put here, I will add all of them. Just add this and this. So yp will be what? This times this plus this, minus 1 upon a square cos ax ln of tan of what? Ax upon 2 plus p by 4. Okay, close. Then this expression plus this will be 0. Okay, so this will be only yp. Okay. This will be your yp only. This expression here is your yp. And your yc, what is your yc? I guess you have already found. This is your yc. Just put together yc and your yp. Okay? I guess you didn't have any kind of confusion, because here I considered this guy, u and V. U is equal to minus 1, blah, blah, blah. V is this, okay? So YP is this guy. When you add all of them, U plus V. Okay? I don't know if there is still time to do this, another one on this side. Okay? I will just